Samsung's next big release, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. While the current S24 Ultra is no slouch, there are some areas where it could improve, and fans are hoping the S25 Ultra will deliver. One big thing people are hoping for is a fresh design. The S24 Ultra's look hasn't changed much since the S21 Ultra from back in 2021. With Samsung pushing boundaries with their foldable phones like the Galaxy Z series, fans are eager to see some of that innovation make its way to the S25 Ultra. Another concern is the decrease in RAM options. The S22 Ultra didn't offer the 16GB RAM variant like its predecessors did. Given the hefty price tag of the S24 Ultra, folks want to see more options for beefier RAM to future-proof their investment, especially as apps get more demanding. One thing Samsung got right with the S24 Ultra was bringing back the S Pen. It turned the phone into a worthy successor to the Galaxy Note line. But there's room to make the S Pen even better by adding more features like the circle to search function, which fans would love. The decision to downgrade the optical zoom from 10x to 5x in the S24 Ultra left some people disappointed, despite the increase in megapixels. Bringing back that 10x zoom with better sensor tech could win back those who felt let down. And rumors of a variable optical zoom sensor for future models sound promising for even more flexibility. Overall, the future of Samsung's flagship line looks exciting, especially with the potential improvements we could see in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.